Hello everyone, welcome to Science classes, and today we will discuss about the image formation by the help of concave mirror. So I have drawn here 5 concave mirrors and we will put the object on some points and we'll see the fate of the image formed by the concave mirror. So let's start. So in this one, in the first case, if this object, the arrow, is the object which is kept behind the center of curvature. This is C, center of curvature, focus and pole, which we have discussed previously. So when the object is behind or beyond the center of curvature, what will be the fate of the image? We have to discuss this. So here also we have discussed about the law of reflection in the mirror, spherical mirror. So we'll apply the laws. Okay. So the arrow is the object. First, we'll apply the law that when the ray is coming from the object, it will pass through the focus. That we have discussed in my previous lecture. It will pass through the focus. And when it is passing through the center of curvature, like this, it will retrace its path back. So this is the point where these two rays are meeting together. So this is the place where the image will be formed, here somewhere. This. So if you see the object and the image is diminished. It is real image because both the rays are actually meeting with each other, and it is inverted because it is forming behind the focus, children. Okay, so this is the first case. Object beyond C. C is what? Center of curvature. So this is the first one. In the second, if you see this second step, the object is kept on center of curvature. It is on the center of curvature. So here also we'll apply the law. If the rays parallel to the principal axis के parallel, it will pass through the focus. Okay, and if it is coming from the focus, it will be parallel to the principal axis. So here, this is the point, the rays are meeting together. So the image will be formed here. Means it will be formed on the center of curvature. It will be of same size and it will be real. Okay, because both the rays are actually meeting, so it will be real. And when we talk about this case, beyond center of curvature, the image was formed between center of curvature and focus. Let's take the third step. And what is where the object is kept? Between center of curvature and focus. Between C and F. So we'll apply the same law of reflection. Here, object is this. When it is parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through the focus. This we know. It will pass through the focus. And if you take the another law, that if it is passing through the focus, it will be parallel to the principal axis. So somewhere here they are meeting together. So the image will be formed here. Okay, it will be again real. Bigger in size, object को अगर आप compare करें तो वो बड़ा है. And it will be real because they are meeting, both the rays are actually meeting together. Let's take the fourth step. Here the object is kept somewhere between center of curvature and pole, between C and pole. So what will be the fate of the image in this case? So let's apply the law of reflection. Spherical mirror का law apply करेंगे. If the ray is parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through the focus. Okay. Next, because it is kept on the focus, तो आप third law apply कर दीजिए, that object से जो ray निकल रही है, if it is passing from the center of curvature, it will retrace its path. Okay, so in this case, both the rays are parallel to each other, and because they are parallel to each other, इधर भी ये parallel ही हो जाएंगी. So somewhere they will meet in the infinity, पीछे के side, और काफी बड़ी image बनेगी. Okay. Fifth case, when the object is between focus and pole. Just see and apply the laws. Ray is parallel to the principal axis, will pass through the focus. And if the ray from the object is coming from the center of curvature, it will retrace its path. So here it is a diverging ray. ये diverge कर रही हैं. It means it will not meet somewhere at the back. It will be meet somewhere behind the mirror. Somewhere here. So the image which will be formed will be behind the mirror, and the rays, children, are not meeting actually, they are apparently meeting. So it will be virtual image behind the mirror, enlarged. Okay, so if we discuss this from the first case, in the first case, when the object was beyond center of curvature, the image was real. Why it was real? Because the rays were meeting actually, so it was real. इन्वर्टेड बन रही है क्योंकि फोकस के पीछे है, इन्वर्टेड है ये. डिमिनिश्ड है, छोटी बन रही है, ओके, समवेयर सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड फोकस के बीच में. In the second case, when the object was on the center of curvature, आप देख रहे हैं ठीक center of curvature, but this is center of curvature. On the center of curvature, the image is being formed. Same size है, real है. Why it is real? Again, both the rays are actually meeting with each other. What happens in the third case? When the object was in between center and of curvature and focus. In the third case, again, if you see, image was inverted. Object से बड़ी है, real है. Okay. Fourth case. In fourth case, in between center of curvature and pole. So the rays were parallel. So it will meet somewhere in the infinity, so it will be very big in size, and because it was actually meeting, it is a real image. Okay. And in the last case, children, because इस केस में अगर आप देखेंगे, only in this case when the object was between focus and pole, तब ये spherical mirror के पीछे बन रहा, मतलब, और in all other cases, first, second, third and fourth, all the images which are formed वो स्क्रीन पे बन रहा है और ये खुद शीशे के पीछे बन रहा है. सो apparent intersection हो रहा है रेस का. that's why it will be virtual image. it will be a large image. और ये सीधा बन रहा है क्योंकि शीशे के पीछे फोकस के इस साइड है. it will be always सीधी इमेज बनेगी. it will be erect always. And in all the other cases, the image which will be formed, वो focus के इधर बन रही है, शीशे के पीछे बन रही है, तो वो सारी उल्टी image बनेगी. Okay, children? So that was all about image formation by the help of concave mirror. Hope you like it. So please do subscribe and like my video, children. Thank you.